I will give you $5 if you like make it super obvious that you're gonna catch a snowflake on your tongue. It's gotta be obvious.
Oh, dude, I caught a clump. Hey, it's not just catching. That was like one-handed snag, like Odell. You owe me $5.
Damn, I know.
Getting that footage. We're about halfway there. Got a little house to stay in now, so getting fancy.
Yeah, we just rented this whole house. House is $10K for the weekend.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry. This is an Airbnb.
We're rich plus.
This is the Airbnb, that YouTube money. We're just killing it. Killing it with that YouTube money. Just like the water park / lagoon that we rented out, right?
We also have big penises.
Don't listen to him.
Excited?
I got this one. I got the light. I'll hold the point light. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. We're about 13 minutes out from Sugar Mountain, and hopefully really good conditions this time.
Turn right north.
Should be looking at this snow. We even thought about getting here a little late. I'm glad we didn't.
This is our predicament right now.
Yo, look at the snowflakes.
Nope. No power. Just hanging out in the line for the past 2
Look at the
hours.
snowflakes.
I know, I've been in Lowe's a couple times. I know you've been in the Lowe's.
I warmed up in like 10 minutes.
Me too. I'm like good.
I'm not kidding
That'll
you.
do it.
Yeah.
He went, I think he went 660 feet. I'm not kidding. 660.
Was that Red Bull?
Best Red Bull I've ever had.
All right, little update. We're still in line. It's almost, what time is it? 10 something?
Yeah, it's like 10:20.
10:20.
3 hours standing still.
First lift ride of the season. What do you think about all this? Every time.
Dude, that's all ice.
Yeah, I know. I hit it too. My bad, I didn't mean to hit you. I couldn't really stop.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I'm doing interviews on people who can't snowboard.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's interview somebody then.
Good. That was good. That was quick.
That was quick thinking.
So how's it going so far? We only had to wait 4 hours to finally get to do what we're doing, but
It's you know, it's good, all things considered. Obviously, you know, would be better if we just got right in and we're snowboarding before 9, but that didn't happen. So, you know, it's just you just gotta take the bad with the good and make a good day out of it, you know? Be positive.
look at life.
Just look at life in a positive manner, and that's all that matters. Thank you.
You're such a pussy.
So, Chuck the Truck, did you have a good trip? Tell me about how much fun we had.
Too much.
You look like it. You look like you had a lot of fun. There we go. Heading back home from an awesome weekend of snowboarding action.